Okay, let's jump right into it. We're going to go over how the trend is determined in both the UFX trend report scanner and also the UFX trend report EA. So here you can see on the Aussie CAD, we have the weekly trend is up and also the daily trend is up. And then here over on the scanner, you can see we've got the daily is green and the weekly is green. So both bullish, okay? And what we're looking for when we get this confluence like this is looking for a good entry on lower time frames when these signals come in, okay? So let's get into how this trend is determined. We're going to click here over on the scanner on the weekly chart. And it's a fairly clean chart. We can just see starting at the current candle. We're working our way back. And the EA is both finding when it changes from the red to a green. Okay, so we've got the color change here, showing that the weekly is now bullish. And that is why the weekly here is green and bullish. Okay, now we'll jump over to the daily here on the Aussie CAD. Starting with the current candle, we're going to work our way back. And you can see this is where the change happened right here. We went from a red, had a couple pause candles here, and then a green bullish candle, which would have changed the trend direction to green, to bullish. Okay, so that is how the trend is determined on both the UFX trend EA, which you see right here, and also the UFX trend scanner. I hope that helps and clarifies a little bit for you guys. And then when you have these both confluence, you can start looking for good entries on lower time frames.